This is the OnePlus 6, a significantly cheaper alternative to many of the other flagships out there with only a few notable compromises. Fresh off the release of the Silk White Edition, OnePlus is back with a brand new color, and boy is it hot. I'm Daniel Marchena for XDA Developers. Let's go hands-on. A long time ago. Okay, well, maybe not so long ago. OnePlus released the OnePlus 6 in two colors. They soon followed that by the limited edition Silk White, and now the new limited edition Red. It's only been a few months, much to the dismay of some early adopters for the release of these limited edition colors, but for those who waited for a red one, rejoice. Opting to go with the glossy finish like the mirror black OnePlus 6 instead of the matte of the Silk White looks to have been the right call because in hand it looks amazing. The back is a blood red that has an enormous amount of depth to the color thanks to what OnePlus calls its 6-panel glass treatment with an orange tinted undercoating. Unlike the HTC U11 or U12 Plus, this isn't a strawberry red, and it also isn't the flat gloss like the iPhone. Candy apple red is probably the most fitting description. The frame is a matte red that perfectly matches the back of the phone, no small feat, and it has a hot rod aesthetic that peeks around the display with the chamfered edge. The only decision I'm not sold on is the silver trim around the camera and the silver OnePlus logo. They sometimes shimmer gold thanks to that orange tint. Unfortunately, the fingerprint sensor flashes the wrong color too, which is disappointing because it does kind of stand out. But the rest of the package more than makes up for those two nitpicks. After being able to use both the Silk White and Red OnePlus 6s, my choice is the Red. It's bold and has a deep color regardless of the lighting and looks amazing from both the front and the back. Like the Silk White, the Red OnePlus 6 is available only in the 8128 configuration for $579. This is the OnePlus 6 to get. Be sure to visit xdadevelopers.com for our in-depth performance analysis and our display analysis. And stay subscribed to our YouTube channel for even more OnePlus 6 coverage coming soon.